After this guy wanted to compare a $4 Dubai chocolate bar to a $25, he came across the craziest outcome.
$4 versus $25 Dubai chocolate. And in case you don't believe me, there it is. The $4 one I got from Trader Joe's. Let's open up Trader Joe's first. Has a nice packaging. All right, that's what it looks like. The entire filling is covered with chocolate. The $25 one, they just take the pistachio filling. Dubai chocolate weighs 100 grams, while Dubai chocolate weighs 447. And doing the math, we see that this is 40% more expensive. Does it taste 40% better? Let's find out. Let's start off with Trader Joe's. Good chocolate to filling ratio. Crunchy Kataifi center. All right, and last, let's try the $25 one. Too much chocolate compared to filling. The Kataifi itself isn't crunchy, it's soggy. Almost as if it's been sitting around for a while. Would I get the $25 one again?
But which one would you buy?